Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change name on Facebook app on Android. So open your Facebook and go to your profile settings and scroll down to click settings and privacy, and it will be load. So again click to settings, it will be loading. So click to account center and personal information. So again to your profile, click to profile and click to your name of your profile. So click to name, so you can change from there. Remove the previous one and enter new one your name, and it will be change your Facebook name. So this is helpful to use. When you will type renew type, remove it, you will be able to change. This is how to change Facebook. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.